Did you bring the spoon and fork?
Yeah, I did. You see, Margie, my friend here, will kind of sugarcoat things for you. She'll tell you, oh, everything's going to be okay if you do this and that. I'm the one that tells you, if you don't start taking care of yourself and eating right, you're going to die. And right now, every week, the average human will ingest a credit card-sized piece of plastics into your body. Well, that's bad enough. You think, well, it'll just pass through. No. Recent studies have shown it's starting to enter our bloodstream.
Go. One single sachet. Where will it go? Ocean. And who will eat those things in the ocean? Who will eat the fish? Us. Do you like to eat something that eats poison?
No.
No. Say buhaton. Ha? Unsa may gibuhat? Gilabay ra po dito sa landfill.
Good practices, no? And we connect with them, we connect with Sir Richard who is here. Maybe we can help change the problem or address the problem of garbage here in Mambacaw and in the entire province. So we really consider you both heroes, no? Eco heroes, and thank God na you got involved in this kind of advocacy voluntarily. They're not being paid. What they need is support from us. Yun lang po yung hinihingi nila. And sana, the Lord is the one who is keeping them, giving them the necessary graces, blessings, and strength na maipagpatuloy nila yung kanilang advocacy. And I hope that kayo lahat, because you're all student leaders, kayo lahat, you start thinking about what was presented to you. At sabi nga ni Ma'am Margie, hindi lang yan hanggang dito.
So much responsibility and knowledge. And I hope you learned something from my reflection. That would be all. Thank you. Thank you, Mom. Thank you, thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Authority.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
The younger generations have the power to change the world and are responsible.
You try to process what you got the information and then do something. Let's do something individually and as a community here in Mambacaw, in LCCI. So thank you so much, Ma'am Margie and Sir Richard. I really admire you for your advocacy.